So my dad just got up here from Sydney. 2 of his axles snuck on the way. So we're going to try and pull them out and fix them. He got these tyres yesterday. As you can see, one side's brand new. This side's like on limits. You can see. That's meant to be circle. That's meant to be circle. That's meant to be circle. They're all oval. So there's going to be a video changing stub axles. Hopefully in a record time. They're going to get stub axles now and then we'll start doing that, I guess. So we're just about to get stuck into it. We just had to drive an hour and a half in a round, or about 2 hours in a round trip because no shops were open where I live. So we went and got the 2 stubs that we need. So we're going to pull it apart and put them in, stub axles, and put them in. So I'm going to stop talking, set it up on the tripod, and I'm going to do a time-lapse video. If I need to stop it and tell anything, I will stop and tell you, and then it's time-lapse from there. So I'm going to set it up now, guys, and see you in the next part. Thanks for watching. Smash the thumbs up button because it's a Saturday and it's about 25 degrees. About 3 minutes work. Already got the new axles in, just got to tighten them and pull them into place properly, and I'll show you the next part. So yeah, about 5 minutes, we got the new axles in. I'm just going to put the wheel on it, go for a drive to get loose, so we'll come back. We'll put them brass bolts back on and pull them new hub, we'll pull these new 2 hub axles out further so they're nice and lined. There's the 2 axles what's left that was sitting in the rim, or the hub. We had to bash them out and put new ones in, so yeah, about 10-15 minutes work for about an hour's drive to get the part. Fun.
27 bucks.
And 27 bucks. See you in the next part of the video, guys. So guys, she's all done in about 20 minutes of mucking around after a 2-hour return circle trip to get 2 stub axles, but she's all done. It's just got to go for a drive around the block because it will get loose, so we can bring it back, put it back on the jack and tighten it up, and yeah, she's all done. So if you like what you've seen, smash the thumbs up button, comment if you want to see a certain video and I'll do that video, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, it's a Saturday, it's about 25 degrees, and yeah, she's hot to be working on the car, but she's done. So stainless in the high flow catch, but it's a one piece. The high flow catch, the half part of the header. Sounds good how it sits there.